Hi, welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. Today I am going to prepare a recipe which is trending in internet. It's a Chinese recipe. I already prepared the recipe which I will show you. It's good or bad, that I cannot say it's bad or I cannot say it's wow. When I tried the recipe, I just feel that it's an edited one. Taste wise, really very good. It's very nice, but the look wise it won't be like that. So when you are going through my video, you can see the Chinese recipe, steamed pomfret in soya sauce, that is little bit of different, but I will suggest you try this recipe and let me know how it is.
To begin with the recipe, first I have to cut the fish, clean it properly, and then I will cut. So both side I have to cut this in this way, so that when I will cook or steam, the fish juice will come out, and at the same time it will be cooked properly, and the sauce that will enter inside the fish properly. So this is how you have to cut the fish. And all the 500-gram fishes are done. So now I will go for the cooking. I'm using garlic pods, galangal or Chinese ginger, or you can use normal ginger, and then red chili, soya sauce, white portion and green portion of spring onion. So let's start the cooking. First thing first, switch on the gas and then place this stand, and then pour some water because I will steam it, and then place this kind of plate, and after that place the fish. Cook it in batches. After placing the fish, I just sprinkle some salt and then little bit of vinegar, and after that I just cover it for a couple of minutes, so that it will be done, and the fish juice will come out. It will stay in the plate. I will use that juice after a couple of minutes.
And now I will cover it for a couple of minutes till the fish is done.
Heat vegetable oil in another pan, and then I just added a white portion of spring onion and the Chinese ginger or galangal and the crushed garlic, and saute for a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, I will check the fish is done or not. Fishes are done and juice came out, so I'll keep the fish in another plate, and let's go for the next part of the cooking.
So these are almost fried and I can feel the aroma. Now I will add some soy sauce. And some water as well. Sprinkle some Azinamoto and cook it for a while.
Soya sauce is done, and keep it aside. Last part of the cooking, I will use fish stock for the sauce. So now I will heat white oil, and then once it heated up, I will add the fish stock, and I will boil for a couple of minutes. Now plating of the fish, I have this steamed fish, and I just sprinkle some prepared fish stock and then spring onion, green portion, and after that I just added the soya sauce what I cooked previously. So it's already done, and I can serve it with fried rice or normal. steamed pomfret in soya sauce is done. It's ready to serve. So I am going to enjoy this Chinese fish, and you just cook and let me know how is the recipe.